Have you ever felt like getting ahead financially is impossible? Like you need to be rich to invest or saving forever just to stay afloat? Those beliefs may be the very thing that's holding you back. Stick around to the end because today we're going to be breaking down those myths and more importantly, how to move forward even if you're feeling stuck. Hey, I'm Bart Mazur, and for over a decade I've been helping people just like you take control of their finances. No complicated jargon, no judgments, just simple concepts that help you move forward. If you clicked on this video, I know you're ready to make some changes. I'm here to help you make those first steps. Now let's dive in. So here are the financial myths that are holding you back. First myth, you need a lot of money to invest. Here's the thing. This myth keeps so many people on the sidelines thinking, I'll start investing when I have extra money. But here's the truth, you don't need thousands to get started. Today, with platforms like Fidelity or Acorns, you can start for as little as $5. Think of it like planting seeds. Even if you can only plant 1 or 2 right now, those seeds will continue to grow over time. Here's an example. If you had just $50 a month and you got an 8% return over 20 years, that would be $29,000, even though you only put in $12,000. The earlier you start, the better, because compounding works over time. Here's the takeaway. Start wherever you are, even if it feels small. Myth number 2, saving is enough to become wealthy. This one gets a lot of people because saving feels safe, right? But here's the thing, if your money's sitting in a savings account only earning 1%, inflation is eating away at it. So here's an example. Let's say you have $10,000 earning 0.5%. Over a 10-year period, maybe you'll have $10,500. But if you took that same $10,000 and you averaged 7% over that same time period, you'd have $19,000. Saving alone won't get you to financial freedom. It's a good starting point, but your money needs to work for you, not just sit still. Myth number 3, you should always pay off debt before investing. This one's tricky because yes, you should pay off high interest rate debt, but waiting until you're completely debt-free can cost you years and years of your money growing. This one's all about balance. Let's say you have an extra $200 a month. Instead of putting 100% of it toward debt, put $150 toward the debt and $50 toward a small investment. This way, you're reducing your liabilities and starting to build some assets. Here's the takeaway. High interest rate debt is a priority, but don't hold off on investing forever. Starting small keeps you in the game. Now, why are these myths so dangerous? The worst is they stop people before they get started. They create inaction. You feel like you have to have it all figured out before you even start, which just leaves you stuck. They lead to overwhelm. These myths make finances seem so complicated that you avoid tackling them altogether. They steal your confidence. If you believe these myths, it might feel like financial freedom is just impossible for you. They make time your enemy. The longer you wait, the harder it is to invest enough to build the wealth you need. Compounding needs time. Every year you delay is a missed opportunity for your money to grow. The truth is, these myths aren't facts, they're misconceptions. And the good thing about misconceptions is they can be changed. Once you understand that they're holding back, you can replace them with knowledge and action, and that'll help you move forward to your financial goals. Investing made simple. If investing seems complicated, let me break it down for you. First thing is, start small. Even $20 a month matters. It's more important that you build the habit than the amount. Second, diversify. Use index funds or ETFs to spread your money across multiple investments. Automate it. Set up automatic transfers so your money is consistent without you thinking about it. An example, a consistent investment of $100 a month can grow to $150,000 over 30 years, assuming a 7% rate of return. It's not about timing the market, it's time in the market. Next is building a solid foundation with the 5-account system. To truly take control of your finances, you need a structure. And here's where the 5-account system comes in. It gives every dollar a purpose. Here's how it works. One is the bills account. This is your essentials. It covers all of your rent, utilities, debt payments, all your reoccurring monthly expenses. Number 2 is your everyday spending account. This is your guilt-free spending and it covers your gas, your groceries, and all those little pleasures in life like coffee and those things. Number 3 is your short-term savings. This is where your money goes for those annual expenses, car repairs and maintenance fees, those types of things. It's also there for those short-term emergencies that may pop up. Lifestyle account. This is for those dream purchases, those vacations, those things you want. You save for them intentionally so you can enjoy them guilt-free. The last is the long-term savings. This is for retirement money or building generational wealth. Why this system works is it balances your current needs, your future goals, and even allows you to enjoy life now, all while staying disciplined. Here's the key. Financial freedom just doesn't happen overnight. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Challenge the myths, don't let them hold you back. Educate yourself because the more you learn, the more you'll earn. And lastly, just play the long game. Remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. And a quick example is a 30-year-old investing $100 a month by the age of 65 could have over $250,000. That's the power of small, consistent steps. If you've been held back by these financial myths, now's the time to take control. Take small, consistent actions. And if you want to learn more about that 5-account system, I have a video right here, or link in the description below. If you've got value here, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.